Hi, good day. Kumusta? Ako pala si GM Bass, and if you're with me here right now, ibig sabihin nun na either ako or mga members ko ng EOTG Empire ay nag-share sa'yo ng beauty and value ng personal accident coverage na sinishare namin ngayon na Orbis Victus International. At ang gagawin lang naman natin ngayon is I'm gonna provide a quick online consultation para mas lalo mo siyang kilala, malaman mo yung background, ano ba yung mga very important details na dapat alam mo right before choosing the perfect coverage for you. And I tell you, dito po sobrang dami ng tao ang natulungan na mabigyan ng income and asset protection. Meron actually akong slide dito na isi-share screen sa'yo para mas maintindihan mo siya. But if you have questions along the way, feel free to ask lang, 'di ba? After we play everything here. So, ang pinaka-goal lang natin ngayon is so that maintindihan mo kung saan galing si OVI, anong kaya niyang i-offer, and at the same time, mapili mo yung pinakabagay for you and even for your family. So, here we go. Ito po ang ating slide. So, yeah, once again, welcome to our OVI consultation. And I'd like to formally introduce myself. My name is Basant Ayman Noor. I'm from Cebu City, Philippines, and I'm a registered nurse by profession. And dati din po akong BPO employee. And a few years back, like more than a decade ago, I decided to shift careers and eventually became part of an amazing company called AGG, which is a multi-division platform. And I have my own organization here called Entrops on the Go, or EOTG Empire, and I am its co-founder and president. And ngayon po, we're just gonna focus on the coverages na naibibigay ng quality and affordable personal accident coverage for all Filipinos, none other than Orbix Victus International. And as early as now, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa iyo, ang OVI po ay para po sa lahat ng Filipino citizens. Ibig po sabihin, kahit nasa Pilipinas ka or nagtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa, pwede mo po ito ma-enjoy si OVI. So, sino nga ba si Orbis Victus International? Orbis Victus International is the second division of AGG, or AIM Group of Companies. And meron po kaming mga partners dito na bumuo at naging together with these two other companies, naging mas innovative at mas maganda at comprehensive ang insurance plan na ibinibigay namin. So these two companies are no other than Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, which has exceeded 60 years. Actually, nasa 70 years na sila. One of the biggest and most popular names in the insurance industry, and it is partnered with many companies, even private and government na mga organizations tulad ng LTO. We also have partner din po ito ang Stronghold ng OWA. Nagpo-provide din po ito. Ito din ang insurance provider ng Security Bank, even ng Toyota Philippines, and many others. So si Stronghold po as an insurance provider is very well known and very prestigious. Aside po kay Stronghold, we are also partnered with UBX. Sino nga ba si UBX? UBX is actually a fintech partner. It's a fintech division under Union Bank. So yes, si Union Bank po yung pangalawang partner ni AGG para buuin si OVI. Fintech, financial technology, allowing OVI to become not just your typical or traditional insurance company, pero isa po siyang tinatawag na insurtech company or division where insurance meets technology. And UBX Philippines is actually the fastest growing fintech company in Southeast Asia. So we have a very solid partnership which enabled us to provide such an amazing and comprehensive personal accident coverage for all Filipinos. So, what to expect? What are the know-hows na kailangan mong malaman about OVI? 'Di ba? So, I mentioned, InsurTech po siya. It is more on digital protection. So, ibig po sabihin niyan, it is more convenient to apply and process claims kasi digital lang po ang mga transactions. You can just do online transactions so that you can avail and you can enjoy the benefits of OVI. Wala na pong pipirmahin na paperworks, and because it's non-life personal accident coverage, wala na po siyang medical underlining. That's the reason why kahit nasa ibang bansa ka pa, you can actually avail your OVI coverages. And for those who'd like to share more about OVI, you don't need to take exams to promote and start earning here. And eto pa po yung kagandahan. Paano kayo nakapagbibigay ng quality na insurance at sinasabi niyong napakamura lang? The thing about us, maraming mga Pilipino gustong magkaroon ng insurance pero hindi nila kaya ang magbayad every month. The beauty about OVI, hindi po monthly ang payment, hindi din po quarterly, kung hindi very easy renewal na once a year lang. So yes, for every avail of OVI coverage, for the whole year ka na po insured. And it's our most convenient online platform, and isa din po to sa napakarami ng tao ang natulungan talaga na ma-protect ang kanilang lahat ng pinaghirapan nila sa buhay dahil, 'di ba, they were able to get reimbursement and compensation sa mga di inaasahang emergencies sa buhay nila. So, let's get to this part. Ano ba ang mga coverages na ino-offer ni OVI? We call them our Seal Pro coverages or products, which means self-empowerment assets and life protection. So ang kagandahan sa kanya is that etong mga Seal Pro na to have great accident insurance coverage and have very affordable insurance rates. Kahit once a year, hindi pa ganun kamahal. Sobrang affordable lang kahit premium ang binibigay na coverage. So ano nga ba? I'm going to introduce to you, 'di ba? Our first set of Seal Pro, pinaka-base po natin and isang premium. This is Orbis Victus International's affordable personal accident insurance backed by Stronghold Insurance Company, and what you're looking at right now is ang Bronze Seal Pro natin at ang ating Platinum Seal Pro. Ano nga ba ang meron? Bronze Seal Pro offers 500,000 pesos personal accident coverage with 3,350 pesos suggested digital member na 1-year coverage. So ibig po sabihin, with only 3,350 every year, once a year, you get a yearly coverage of 500,000. So si Platinum naman po, it provides personal accident coverage na 1 million pesos with just 5,050 pesos for the whole year na po yan. So, now you get what I'm saying. Napakamura niya kasi isang beses ka lang magbabayad ng inyong coverage, and then you enjoy the protection for the whole year. And then if you want to renew the next year, isang beses lang din sa isang taon. Now, I'm going to break it down for you kung ano bang meron dito. Ano ba yung covered ng bronze na yan, ng platinum na yan. So, as I mentioned, bronze. Let's start with bronze. Personal accident coverage na 500,000. It means that in the event of the accidental death of the insured, meron siyang beneficiary dito pag nag-a-apply siya. Yung beneficiary niya, pwedeng asawa niya, pwedeng anak niya, pwedeng parents niya, ay makakatanggap ng 500,000. When it comes to the next one naman, we also have total permanent disability na due to the accident, naging PWD ka or naging permanently disabled ka. Ano bang mga permanent disability na yan? Pwedeng nabingi, pwedeng nabulag, naputulan ng limbs, ng kamay or ng paa, or nabaldado, na paralyzed. Depending on the severity of the disablement, up to 500,000 na din po ang naka-insured. So, at the same time, meron pa tayong unprovoked murder or assault. Ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Assault, injury, or death due to unprovoked na mga violence tulad ng let's say na hold up, 'di ba? Pwedeng nasugatan or namatay dahil sa hold up, or kung merong mga kaguluhan nangyari, may nag-away, you got hit by a stray bullet or accidentally nasaksak, meron pong matatanggap under the bronze coverage na 25,000 pesos. Meron din po tayong medical reimbursement, which is very, very nice. Medical reimbursement, basically, marirefund ka sa outpatient or inpatient or kung na-admit sa hospital or kahit hindi. Basta with a medical certificate, marirefund ka sa lahat ng nagastos mo sa injury mo or aksidente. For bronze coverage, that's 100,000 pesos every year na po and consumable pa po siya. And plus, hindi lang po kayo marirefund, kundi mabibigyan ka pa ng cash assistance. Cash assistance means may idadagdag pa na 1,000 pesos per day up to 10 days. Kung ikaw ay na-hospital dahil sa accident, okay, take note po, this is accident, hindi po sakit ha, accident, injuries, 'di ba? Sustained by accidents, up to 10 days po. Kung na-admit ka ng 10 days, up to 10 days po, 1,000 per day. Kung ikaw naman ay outpatient, hindi man na-admit, pero may doctor's order or medical certificate saying na kailangan mo munang magpahinga before you are fit to work, you have up to 3 days na daily cash assistance. And lastly, a burial assistance worth 25,000 pesos. So, can you imagine that with just 3,350 pesos, meron ka ng ganyan every year, 'di ba? Yearly lang siya nire-renew. Now, on the other hand, si Platinum naman with 5,050 pesos, 'di ba? Hindi po times 2 ang dinagdag mo, pero times 2 ang magiging protection mo because it offers personal accident coverage of 1 million, total permanent disability of 1 million again, unprovoked murder or assault of 250,000, medical reimbursement na consumable 200,000 every year, daily cash assistance na 2,000 per day, and a burial assistance of 50,000 pesos. So napakaganda po kasi malaki ang binibigay with just once a year na payment para ikaw ay mag-maintain ng iyong bronze or platinum coverage. Now ngayon, if you're watching this from abroad, kung ikaw ay isang OFW or mahilig kang your work entails a lot of traveling, meron din po tayong kabayan coverages. Ano ba tong kabayan coverages? They're basically bronze and platinum coverages na dinagdagan ng isa pang coverage called repat care or repatriation care. It is a specialized coverage designed for OFWs. It ensures dignified and immediate repatriation and financial assistance in case of death abroad. So ibig po sabihin, although personal accident coverage po ang bronze and platinum or ang OVI, si repat care po na dinagdag dyan sa mga kabayan coverages ay will it provide, eto po, it will provide 1.3 benefit value for the repatriation of mortal remains. So isa po itong malaking problema ng marami nating kababayan na nagtatrabaho sa abroad wherein there are also those na doon na sila binawian ng buhay. Posibleng na aksidente, posibleng nagkasakit, pero ang nangyari, hindi na nakauwi ang bangkay sa Pilipinas because of financial difficulties ng pamilya. Ang laki pa naman ng gastos ng pagpapamasahe ng bangkay. Now, if you have repat care at nagme-maintain ka po ng kabayan coverages with repat care, kahit anong cause of death, magpapalabas po ang Stronghold at ang Orbis Victus ng 1.3 million pesos na benefit value to process the repatriation or pamasahe. Ihahatid siya mula sa country or lugar na kung saan siya binawian ng buhay up to the place na kung saan siya ililibing. So it's basically repatriation of remains. OVI will be in charge sa coordination with embassies, consulates, and local funeral partners. It provides financial relief for grieving families during tragic events abroad, and it covers any cause of death. Ang kaibahan lang po, accidental po, mostly si bronze and si platinum, pero pag dinagdagan mo po ng repatriation care o repat care, yung kabayan, kahit ano pong cause of death, kahit cancer, stroke man yan, or namatay lang siya na natulog, hindi na nagising, yon pwede pong makover ang pagpapauwi niyan with repat care. So napakaganda po. If you want to know, if you're interested sa kabayan natin, we have 9,500 yearly na po ang kabayan bronze and 11,150 yearly naman po ang kabayan platinum. So yun po ang kagandahan. Now, we also have another coverage. Meron kasing mga nagtatanong, gusto ko ng mas malaking coverage in case, di ba? Because malaki yung pamilya ko and I want them to have a better life. Or gusto ko na sure ball ba na premium yung care ko, hindi ako maubusan or malaki ang ma-refund sa akin kung sakaling lumagpas ng 100 to 200,000 ang magagastos sa hospital because of surgeries or accidents. Meron po tayong tinatawag na MaxSeal. MaxSeal is basically Max Lifestyle Protection. Pag bumili ka po ng either 6 na bronze or 3 platinum, you get a total of 3 million coverage. So kanina, nagbanggit po ako ng personal accident coverage, 'di ba? Permanent disability, unprovoked murder and assault, and even yung mga reimbursement and daily cash assistance. Ang mangyayari po niyan with MaxSeal, lahat naka times 3. So yung imbis na 1 million magiging 3 million, 'di ba? Imbis na 200,000 ang platinum magiging 600,000 na reimbursement every year. Yan po yung kagandahan niya. So paano nga ba ako pwedeng mag-avail ng MaxSeal kung sabay ko pong ipangalan sa akin either 6 na bronze or 3 platinum. Meron din po itong annual loyalty increment. Ibig po sabihin kung yearly ka po nagre-renew ng MaxSeal, nag-i-increase ang total na coverage mo. Imbes na 3 million at start ang personal accident coverage, pag renew mo the next year, magiging 3.3, magiging 3.6, may incremental increase po siya. So palaki ng palaki. And here's another good news. This one is specific to MaxSeal only. Ayan. Okay. Am I still connected? So, as of okay, ayan, pasensya na po, naputol. Ganon talaga pag live recording. Okay, so eto pa, good news. Meron pa akong gustong i-share. Good news because kung 3 years, ayun. So, eto yung good news na nawala lang siya saglit. Pero now we're back. But I'd like to share with you. Eto pong MaxSeal, ang kagandahan sa kanya is that meron siyang tinatawag na no claim cashback benefit. 3 years straight. Ibig sabihin, pag 3 years straight, nagre-renew ka ng MaxSeal, pero wala ka talagang na-process na claims kasi you are marked safe. Wala pong nangyari sa'yo, a certain percentage sa binayad mo ay babalik sa'yo. So it could be 10,000, 5,000, but OVI will inform you because we have our own OVI na mga consultants via Viber or email. Now, here's the thing. Eto na. Sino bang pwedeng mag-avail ng OVI coverage? Ang pwede pong mag-avail must be Filipino citizens age 16 to 65 years old. So yes, ang karamihan po ng mga insurance nagsisimula sa 18 pero sa atin sa 16. Valid for individuals in standard job classifications. So eto po ha, pag sinabi pong personal accident coverage, from the word personal, one person is for one insured slot, hindi po siya transferable. So once na ikaw na po nakapangalan dyan, sa'yo na talaga yan because it's personal accident coverage. The claims process is very simple. Online lang po siya ginagawa. You have to notify within 30 calendar days of the accident na may nangyari sa'yo and you are planning na magpa-reimburse or meron kang, as long as you message or email OVI, para ma-ready na nila ang pag-assist sa'yo. So yan po ang rule. You have to message OVI via Viber or email. They have their own Viber number or email address. And they will just ask you for required documents tulad ng if it involves motor vehicular accident, tulad ng mga motor, police report, medical certificate, official receipts, IDs mo, or kung anong hihingiin nila, hindi mo yan ipapadala, pipicturan mo lang yan, and i-send sa email or sa Viber. Yan po yung kagandahan ng OVI. So you don't have to ship, you don't have to go to the office to send mga requirements. I-picture mo na lang po tapos i-send sa kanilang mga channels. Marami na po ang nakapag-claim neto, but it's too many to mention. So marami na po ang nakinabang, 'di ba? Lalo na sa medical reimbursement, lalo na sa mga repatriation, and even mga personal accident coverage. Ang dami pong pamilya na natulungan dahil yung breadwinner in the family decided to avail OVI ahead of time. So yan po, meron din po dito na yung mga anak nila na qualified na ang edad, sinali nila or kinuna nila yung mga anak nila ng OVI. So yun na po ang nangyari. Marami po ang natulungan. Even po ako personally, I can say I have used my OVI coverage more than once already, and napakadali lang po and napaka-smooth ng claims process, and I decided to message them via Viber. Kinuwento ko lang kung anong nangyari. Hiningian lang nila ako ng requirement, and ang kagandahan po, once na nakapag-inform ka na, they will give you ample time to complete your requirements, up to 90 days or 3 months. So, once na nakompleto mo na po, mabilis na lang ang process ng pagkuha mo ng iyong mga reimbursement or claims. So, they're very proactive as well. So, sabi ko na nga minsan, palagi ko tong sinishare, na hindi ko alam kung anong maganda sa OVI. Yung maganda yung listahan ng coverage, yung once a year lang na mura pa, or yung online, or yung hindi ako pinahirapan sa pag-claim. So it's the insurance that every family deserves talaga. Yun yung number one na masasabi ko. So I have been featured as one of those na nakatulong or natulungan ng Orbis Victus International. That's why I really do believe that every household, every family, every breadwinner should have Orbis Victus International. So with the question na paano po makukuha ang mga reimbursements or mga claims, pinapadala po nila yan below 10,000 pesos, Bibo Super App or GCash. Above 10,000, tulad po sa akin, above 10,000 po ang reimbursement ko, pinadalhan po nila ako via LBC ng cheque. So pina-cash out ko lang yung cheque. So hindi po mahirap yung pag-ano ng OVI, and exactly the amount po talaga ang ibabalik sa inyo. Wala pong mga kaltas. So ngayon, what makes OVI different? It's affordable yet comprehensive protection. It's backed by Stronghold Insurance, a powerful insurance provider in the Philippines. It's powered by UBX FinTech, so making it very seamless online processing. Part of the AIM Global Group, AGG, which is very, 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 very good track record, and hindi po basta-basta na kumpanya. Designed for both individual and corporate clients, and includes OFW repat care benefits. And ang claim support and digital process niya napakaganda din, kasi fast digital registration and claim process via the online system of OVI, accessible anywhere, anytime, as long as connected ka sa internet. May customer service and email support for claims and policy assistance. So paano nga ba ako paano ko ba malalaman kung online na ako na i-registered or activated na yung insurance ko? You should be able to receive an email of confirmation from OVI mismo. Orbis Victus International will send you a confirmation of insurance, as well as terms and conditions of your insurance. So paano nga ba pwedeng mag-avail? You can purchase at least one OVI coverage or package. So ano bang pagkakaiba ng coverage or package? Si coverage, yung Seal Pro, paisa-isa. Si package, if you want to include your family members. So eto po, what are my OVI coverage options? Ano bang maganda para sa akin? So if you're a student or an older adult age 56 to 65 years old, or maybe a blue-collar or low-income employee, I recommend bronze coverage. Kung ikaw naman ay isang working professional or nasa high-risk job, like you're in construction, you are in heavy equipment, diba? Or you're a rider and a driver, meron kang sarili mong sasakyan or motor, you go for a platinum coverage, diba? Kasi you are more at risk to accidents. Now ngayon, if you are an OFW and para sa'yo, wala ka namang bubuhayin, wala kang papamanahan, you can go for a Kabayan Bronze. Pero if you're an OFW na professional, seafarer, or with children, go for Kabayan Platinum. Okay? Yun po yung mga suggest ko lang. So what if single ako but I want to go with Platinum? Pwede din. But these are just recommendations. Paano kung package? What if I'd like to purchase for more than one person? Can I go for limang bronze, or is there another option. There is another option, and this one will ensure lifetime discount of renewal. Magiging mas maliit na po ang iyong yearly renewal kung meron ka neto. This is our OVI package options. For small families, 4 to 5 members na 16 to 65 years old, pwede po ito. And even families also with OFW breadwinner, we have Essential Pro or Family Insurance. We also have Seal Pro Enterprise for big families and families with OFW breadwinner. And if you're part of an organization or small business, if you have 24 members or employees, you can go with Max Victus. For 50 people, you can go for a Max Corporate Package. For 100 employees, you can go for Max International. And for Max Orbix, that's 200 members. So, yan po ang mga options wherein you can avail. So now you know kung ano yung mga dapat mong malaman so that you can choose the right coverage for you if you're gonna go for a Seal Pro or you're gonna go for an OVI package. And I know na hindi ko po pinost or nakalagay doon kung magkano po ang OVI packages, pero you can choose one and then ask lang sa tao na kausap mo kung ng poster or quotation, okay? So it's time for you to choose your coverage today and protect what truly matters, di ba? Napakaganda po dito yung protection na ito because it's gonna be powered by OVI, partnered with AGG, UBX, and Stronghold Insurance. And of course, you have a very supportive community that will assist you in processing claims and everything. That's no other than EOTG Empire. So now I'm actually done with showing you the importance of OVI, giving you the ample information for you to choose the right coverage option for you. But if you have any additional questions, we can talk over the phone or with another mentor or coach of the community. So thank you so much for watching and congratulations for being sealed and protected with Orbis Victus International.